Hi, I'm Dee Williams, principal here at Oscar Smith Middle School. The Beautiful Tomorrow Assembly just wrapped up and it was simply amazing. It gave our students an opportunity to see not only that they matter, but that our students could see that they too have a future and can achieve anything they put their minds to. The actual team, the teachers, the staff, we really want to thank you because we see hope, we see our students who are excited about their futures and excited about doing their absolute best. Thank you so much for everything that you did today.
I don't need you to tell me I'm beautiful. Yeah. I tell myself every day.